Want to start a group chat on TikTok? Here's how to create one right from your messages. So first you have to open up your TikTok app and head over to the inbox section. So here you will see all the chats you have had before. So now tap on the plus icon at the top and here you will see a list of people. Just select the ones you just want to add to your group. So you cannot choose one person only. You have to select two or multiple people at once. And here you can see you can also search for someone if needed. So once you have selected everyone, tap create and your group chat will be ready. After creating the group, you can customize it anytime. So you just have to go to edit group info where you can change the group name, add a group photo, and from here you can also manage your group settings, choose admins, remove members, or even transfer group ownership if needed. And finally, you will also find option to add more people and invite others using a link or QR code. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a group chat on TikTok. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.